I'm Adam Creasey. I'm the operations manager here at Pileworks. I take care of all the equipment, make sure everything runs. I order new equipment and maintain it. Here at Pileworks, we build helical piling. We basically concentrate on any type of solutions that you may be looking for any type of helical piling, whether it's small diameter, big diameter, anything like that. And we also do pile caps and drive tool solutions and stuff like that, special applications. I've been working with Arc Specialties stuff for 7 years now, and I got several robots. This is only one of 4 that I have right now. The equipment is simple enough to use. It allows me to train individual people, and then they can go on and train them without having to bother me. The training is very simple, straightforward. Mostly just the ease of use and just the overall quality of it, how easy it is to transfer to one part to another fluidly. The way it's set up, it has the 2 rotator chucks on it, so we can load one part on one and one part on the other and actually do two parts individually at the same time. So if we're doing something that's difficult to get to, if it's not just a flat part, the chuck can rotate and the robot automatically finds out where it needs to be based on the input, the parameters that we put into it. Basically, just by being able to put somebody behind the controls that's good at tacking stuff together and being able to put it down on the chuck, tighten it down in the same position, and it consistently welds the same way every single time. You're talking 4.5 to 5 minutes a completed part per cycle versus before maybe 10 minutes of somebody picking it up and moving it on the table and then having it inspected every time and then having possibly rework after that. Part of the pre-delivery process, Arc Specialties allowed me to come to the facility and see how it was being finalized, see how it was being built, and then gave me a demonstration showing that it would do exactly what I asked them to make it do. I would say anybody going into thinking about any type of automation should always have a really good idea of what they want and what type of outcome they're expecting. You need to focus on what you want done and what you expect. And Arc Specialties was on the ball every single time.